Welcome to the service department at Doug Smith Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, where you can expect upfront pricing, honest repair recommendations, and factory-trained technicians. To ensure your vehicle runs to the best of its ability, we want to emphasize the importance of proper maintenance. At Doug Smith Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, we offer a variety of vehicle maintenance services including oil changes with dedicated express lanes, tire rotation and replacement, multi-point inspections, and warranty repairs. We are completely committed to your safety and your vehicle's longevity. Our service techs are highly skilled, have an extensive expertise in diesel engines, and operate with state-of-the-art equipment, including the use of genuine Mopar parts and accessories. Trust your vehicle with a team that knows it best. Drop in or schedule your appointment online at heydoug.net. No one knows service like Doug.